Tiny houses often need septic system retrofits when local codes tighten, and planning starts with a focused assessment of the existing system. Start by mapping the current system capacity and components and compare each element to the new code requirements, including loading rates, setback distances, and effluent quality targets. Measure actual daily wastewater production using conservative estimates for tiny house usage patterns, and size proposed upgrades to meet the code rather than the current undersized system. If treatment standards now require lower biological oxygen demand or total suspended solids, consider installing an aerobic treatment unit, sometimes called an ATU, or adding a secondary treatment stage, such as a sand filter or textile filter, to reliably meet effluent limits. Remember to check electrical access and freeze protection needs for units that require power and include those costs in both installation and ongoing maintenance budgets. Plan for a permit pathway by preparing as-built drawings, an engineered retrofit plan if required, and a clear narrative showing how the retrofit brings the system into compliance. Finally, sequence work to allow the tiny house to remain habitable when possible by phasing installation tasks and arranging temporary holding solutions if pumping or disconnects are needed. 3 common mistakes are underestimating actual wastewater flows, which leads to undersized upgrades, overlooking maintenance needs for mechanical treatment units, which causes early failures, and skipping permit or inspection steps, which results in costly rework or fines. To avoid undersizing, collect realistic usage data over several weeks, or apply conservative per-person flow rates specific to tiny house living and size the system accordingly. For maintenance neglect, write a simple maintenance schedule that covers routine inspections, media replacements, and pump checks, and budget for professional service at least once per year. For permit failures, engage the local authority early, submit detailed plans, and include contingency time and funds for requested modifications. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners and contractors around home improvement needs related to septic compliance and other projects. We host a discussion community where members share experiences, ask questions, and find local contractors and work opportunities that match retrofit needs.